Hey, hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Hey, hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. At ngayon, nagala ako dito sa Natawi. Naglakad-lakad ako simula sa apartment at yon na aking chinelas ay napigtal. At meron akong nakitang alambre. Grabe, ang galing talaga ni Lord. Kapag ka merong problema, meron siyang solusyon para doon. So ngayon naglalakad ako, naghahanap talaga ako ng burger. At ayun, meron akong nakita. Kasi sa Tun at saka sa Rota po, may mga burgers talaga sila doon. Then actually, sa Natawi, kala ko walang buhay dito. But ito, may nakita akong supermarket, para siyang 7-Eleven. Meron din ditong milk tea. At meron ditong sayang commercial pack, may 7-Eleven din dito, guys. At sobrang thankful ko sa tatawid tayo kasi gustong puntahan yung burger product doon. So I don't know kung paano tayo tatawid. But kung saan tayo tatawid, but I think this is the time para tumawid. Ngayon may mga bilihin pa doon. Baka meron din ditong roti. Sa tingin ko may roti din dito. So tawid muna tayo, guys. Tawid na ako. Piktal na yung chinelas ko. Napiktal yung chinelas ko. Ayan o. Ayun pala yung big sintas mo. So, let's go. Ang bilis na sakyan. So, ayan. Bibili tayo ng burger. May 5-star din doon, chicken. So, later tayong tumawid. Dahil malaki yung sasakyan. Sa may kainan din doon, So, ayun tayo, guys. I think it's time para tumawid. Ang bilis nila. Okay, let's do this. Hirap tumawid. Maybe Cyrus is baking. Okay, let's do this. Guys, ito yung mga ayan na. At may mga chicken at saka snack. Sabay tayo sa burger. Ayun, meron dito. May pepper cakes. Sure. Yan. Noodles. May bilyan din ng gamot dito. Sabili tayo here. What's that? May pwedeng sweets, chicken. Maganda tayo ng burger dito. Burger. Yan yung roti. So, dito tayo sa roti. Milk tea. Stop. Din yung burger. Tingnan natin yung burger. Check in burger. May check in burger din dito. Magkano kaya ang burger? So, meron 25. Sabi tayo ng burger dito sa 30 pesos. Burger! Okay, meron akong burger dito. Parang may golang. Meron akong burger. Tapos meron din ng milk tea. Mamaya bibili tayong milk tea there. So, yun. Yummy! Handa. Burger din. $6 daw. Love it. They're pouring the water. And there's a burger there. And sarado pa yung iba. Matcha flavor. Sa brunch, yogurt, melon, yogurt, strawberry. It's yummy. Yummy. It's matcha. Matcha flavor. Is it matcha? Yo. It's matcha. I think it's yummy. Super. Oh. Okay, that's the big 25 baht. Yes, it's coffee time. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so bye. Yes. Gawin tayo ng makakainan, guys. So, ito yung binili ko. Ito tayo sa Big C. Big C, Big C. Manilyong cast corn lang. Napit na rin pala ito sa bundok. So, lakad lang tayo, guys. Meron din drinks doon, guys. Medyo malayo-layo ang Big C. Ating carry boom boom. We're in Big C. So we are here in Big C. So, I think may kakainin ba dito? By the way, I don't know. Pero, let's go. Let's go in BC. Let's go to Big C. KFC. We don't have KFC here. Oh, there's no upuan. So maybe we can go in. There's no place where we can eat here. So I think we need to go inside. But I don't want to go inside. Hey! Dito tayo sa Big C. So, medyo malayo-layo din siya sa place ko. Sinilip ko lang kung kaya natin siya lakarin. At nag-aata pa kumain. So, wala pa akong makita ng burger. Duking. Let's go, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. And yes, nakakita na ako ng park where we can eat. So, this is a park. Okay, we can go here. We can play. We can come by here. So, it's a park. We can go here. Wow, it's a place where we can stop over. So there's some people there. So maybe we can go out. We can go far from them. So this is the place to be. There. So this is a park. We can eat here. So it's far from my apartment, and there's playground there, and it's also good to have biking here and running. So come on, let's eat. What? Okay, ang food na binili natin. So it's buffalo burger. Let's see. It's yummy. Oh, it's yummy. Yummy, guys. It's yummy. It's buffalo burger. Yum. It's buffalo burger. And we have matcha latte here. Okay. Yummy siya, guys. Let's see. Let's taste it. It's yummy, guys. It's spicy with cabbage. And masarap siya in fairness. Yummy.